The 2026 Bentley Continental GT is more than a car. It's a rolling statement of prestige, performance, and craftsmanship. Bentley has taken everything people love about the Continental and elevated it into a new era of luxury grand touring. On the exterior, the 2026 Continental GT carries forward the unmistakable Bentley DNA, but with sharper, more sculpted lines. The front grille is wider and darker, flanked by jewel-like LED matrix headlights that sparkle even when they're off. The hood stretches long and low, flowing into muscular haunches that give the car an athletic stance. Sitting on 22-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, the car exudes presence. Whether parked outside a modern villa or roaring down a coastal road, every crease, every vent is there not just for show, but to enhance aerodynamics and performance. Step inside, and the cabin is where Bentley separates itself from everyone else. The 2026 Continental GT interior is a masterpiece. Hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood veneers, and polished metal accents blend seamlessly with futuristic digital craftsmanship. The rotating display returns, hiding a 12.3-inch touchscreen behind a veneer panel when you want a pure, analog luxury feel. Diamond-quilted seats with heating, cooling, and massage functions come standard. Ambience lighting, customizable in dozens of hues, sets the tone for late-night drives. Bentley also introduces its most advanced sound system yet, a 20-speaker name audio experience designed to turn the cabin into a private concert hall. Under the hood, Bentley offers several models to match different desires. The Continental GT Vignette comes with a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged engine producing over 550 horsepower, blending thrilling acceleration with surprising efficiency thanks to hybrid assistance. The W12 Speed, a hallmark of Bentley, pushes past 660 horsepower, delivering smooth, effortless power and a top speed north of 208 mph. And new for 2026, Bentley introduces a plug-in hybrid Continental GT Hybrid, combining electric drive with a twin-turbo V6, aimed at those who want silent, electric cruising without giving up Bentley muscle. Price-wise, the 2026 Bentley Continental GT starts around $250,000 for the Vignette model, while the W12 Speed pushes closer to $320,000. The hybrid variant sits around $270,000, positioned as the perfect balance between modern eco-conscious luxury. Naturally, Bentley's bespoke Mulliner division allows buyers to go far beyond these figures, creating one-of-one masterpieces limited only by imagination. As for release, Bentley has announced the 2026 Continental GT will officially launch in the summer of 2025, with deliveries beginning toward the end of the year. Expect it to arrive first in Europe and the UK, followed shortly by North America, the Middle East, and Asia. The 2026 Bentley Continental GT isn't just a luxury coupe, it's the future of grand touring, blending timeless craftsmanship with modern performance and technology. It proves that even in a changing automotive world, Bentley's essence of elegance, speed, and presence will always remain untouchable. So Jumzanes and Sons of Zama. Iti